quiet. Quiet mo na. Quiet mo na. Sabi ko quiet. Kanta-kanta pa siya eh. Magbablog ako eh. Huwag ka mo na maingay. Ayan, hello sa inyo dyan, mga my friend. Magandang hapon sa inyo. Ayan, nakami diri sa ang kwarto sa akong anak. Na diri kini Higda-higda mi diri magkanta-kanta mi. Ayan, magkanta daw mi. Oh, Canada, our land and native land. Okay, yung A Million Dreams. A Million Dreams.
Mandakako machidasa. I wonder what you want is that.
They can say it's all sound
Crazy.
I don't care if they call me
crazy. All living, always be outside. Hey, never,
never
never be, never me. Got someone to the side.
Yeah, very good. Anong kanta? Never enough. Ayan, kantahin lang namin. Never can be. Para hindi tayo makapiright. I don't care. So call me.
Call me.
I don't care. So call me.
I got a boxy guy. I got something day. It's got a time to the mama staying. Got a time in a happy now. It's time to you. Happy Mother's Day already?
Yeah.
Happy Mother's Day to all family. Happy
To all mother.
Oh, Mother, I love you, everybody. And YouTube channel, I love you so much. Shout out, girl.
Tulog muna kami mga my friend.
I'll make some pancakes for you. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you, my darling. Bye-bye, mga my friend. Ayan, that's it for today. Ayan ang aming kulitan. Ayan, yun lang mga my friend. Wala gyud. Ayan, shout out sa lahat ng aking mga dyan, mga my friend. Ayan, di ko na sabihin yung mga pangalan na baka may makalimutan ako ba. Sa lahat ng aking mga my friend, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Bye-bye.